everybody, Ari Marie here, and today is awesome because I have filmed two tutorials for you guys. So I hope you guys are now watching the second tutorial, which is this makeup look that I've done. I don't know what order you guys have watched them, but the first tutorial that I filmed today was on this hair, super cute and simple hairstyle for the week or 2 weeks, you know, depending on your maintenance. And the second tutorial is on this makeup. So if you're interested in how I got this easy, cute makeup look, please keep watching. Alright y'all, so I'm going to start with my P. Louise primer, and just really simple, I just prime both eyes. Next, I'm getting into the Juvia's palette. I'm just packing on the yellow. There's actually a tip video that I'm going to do later, but just start by packing the eyeshadow on your lids and then just spreading it out. Definitely start on your lids and then kind of brush your way up to your eyebrow bone, and then just kind of spread it and drag it down. So of course I'm just gonna do it on the second eye. I'm packing the lid once again, and I'm just gonna drag it down to kind of give it that Sandra Deluxe feel with like the elongated, you know, shadow and brows. Next, I'm just putting on my Kat Von D foundation, just spreading it all over. My routine is pretty much the same, you guys. I don't really switch it up too often, especially when I find products that work for me. I actually took this out like the woodworks because I honestly don't use this anymore. But it had been acting pretty good on my skin, but a couple days later I actually broke out. But I normally wear my Estee Lauder Devil Wear. So now I'm just going in with a liquid foundation under my eyes. I like to start small, just kind of putting it like in a triangular, upside down triangular motion, and then I kind of spread it along the eyeshadow to kind of, you know, I don't want to say contour, but to kind of line it up, I guess. Next, I'm gonna speed through the rest of this. Of course, I do the same thing always. I just spread it out with a damp beauty blender. You know, I kind of tap the nose, tap the chin. Any spots that kind of seem patchy, you know, just double pat it. And I also went in with a second concealer because sometimes I feel like the lighter ones kind of wash me out after I put the powder on. Nose and chin. Next, I'm just going in with my bronzer. And I think don't slander me, I think my brush was still packed with powder from when my boyfriend did my boyfriend challenge, so it kind of came on darker than I wanted, but I just tried to blend it out and work with it. So yes, for my I don't even know what to call it, for my queens who don't like to waste, okay, I went ahead and took some powder off of my contour and used it to contour my nose. Next, I'm just going in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter. Nose and chin, always, okay? Next, I'm going in with my Morphe Brushes Vibe pencil, just lining my lips. I kind of overline the top just a little bit. I never do the bottom, just always the top. Then I'm going in with my NYX lip cream. I'll have to list everything below. Now I have my Morphe setting mist, and I'm just drying that, of course. And that's it, y'all. This is the final look. Super simple, super cute, because I need to step out of my comfort zone and start doing more colorful looks. But this is a start. I hope you guys like it. It's definitely beginner friendly. Until next time, love y'all.